Okay, so I just got my iPhone XS Max. Is that right, Kitty? Kitty's over there. And the new Apple Watch. So I'm just going to unbox them with this. Let's see here. I'd be live streaming right now, but I guess I've never done that on my account, and YouTube was like, you gotta have this activated for 20, or you have to wait 24 hours before it's activated. That's kind of cool. Comes in a little no peanuts, shipping package. Pretty smart. I'm glad the phone wasn't as big as the package, because I've heard of reports saying that it's too big, and kind of glad that it's not that big. So we're just gonna go whoop, whoop, and that gets thrown away. It's got a little tab, that's nice. Looks like it's all kind of stuck together, sticky packaging. So in case you need to return it, I guess you can put it right back together. Okay, let's just see here. Oh yeah, there's a little, I don't even need the thing, I guess. Okay. There's a kitty. She has to be a part of everything. Has just a few peanuts. Oh, I threw the box over there, so the kitty has to be inside of it. Oh, kitty. Okay. I'm more interested in the watch because of all the cool technology, so that's going to be first. Oh, you do pull it and then it rips the plastic. Okay. I'll put this over here in the trash section. And let's see here. 44mm Series 4 watch. Silver aluminum case with white sport band. And they're these little O-rings. I haven't watched any unboxing videos, so I imagine you just pull them, I'm guessing. Oh, it rips more things. That's fun. I kind of don't want to do that. Ripping of anything. Okay, there we go. Oh, you can sort of just push here and then no ripping happens. Looks kind of cool. I'm an Android user, so I've never done any of these things before. Okay, this is the sport band. Okay, that makes sense. Right there. I don't know if you can see it on there, but I've got mosquito bites, so taking care of that problem. Okay. Looks like you can do all these things. I originally got the iPhone 1 or 2G or whatever you want to say back in 2007, and I had that phone for 3 or 4 years, and ever since then I switched to Android because of the widgets and various other nerdy things you can do with them that I like, that Apple sort of pioneered, and I just really like that Android has those on the desktop. You can put all that information. Kind of remind me of Star Trek, but what kind of brought me back into the whole realm of things here is the Apple Watch with all of its technology and able to do, electrocardiogram with your finger, and all the automatic things it does with the watch, and sensing your gym workouts. My Android watch, Android Wear, it senses that stuff, but it seems like all of the things that it has in it, it's very hard to, you have to do a lot of work to kind of make it do what you want. So I'm kind of wanting to get away from that. I just want to try something new. I end up really not using the Android Wear watch very often at all. But looks like, anyways, all this talk, the Apple Watch is in its own little soft padding, which is kind of cool. It's like, hey, you're actually buying a real watch, it's got all this cool stuff. My friend just texted me about his watch, he just got this, but he's gonna return it because of he had to there's a complication with the site where he doesn't want to buy it all at once. He had to do some things with his T-Mobile account in order to get the watch under, or get the phone under a payment plan. And so he has to drive all the way, 2 hours to get that to work out. So he's actually going to return his. He just got a. Okay, I'm guessing this is all the, how to use and all that stuff. There's probably some stickers in here. Oh yeah, it comes with a 5-watt charger that everyone hates. And Let's see, and this is the magnetic charger, which I'm guessing you can put on a, maybe you can put on a higher wattage and get faster charges. Anyways, I don't know why Apple still includes this. It's junk for most stuff. I mean, yeah, it's a 1 amp, yeah, 1 amp charger. So silly. I don't know why they do that, but that's not why I'm buying it. I'm buying it because of the technology packed into this device. All right, and that's, after that, it's just sort of all the other stuff is glued in, nothing else in there. Okay. Maybe try to assemble my watch band and everything. Let's see. I guess I'm supposed to rip this apart. Or maybe not. Oh no, there's an opening down here. Okay. If you can see that. And just some copyright writing stuff or whatever it is. And okay, there's an Apple Watch how-to, and there's a, looks like this is a click band. I also ordered some other ones off eBay, so hopefully those will come today along with my cases. Yeah, it looks like, oh, this is a, this is the part for the small wrist, and this is a medium-large wrist. So that's cool. They include different sizes in here. Maybe they did that before, but again, I've never opened one of these due to my whole Android experience. I'm going to say I'm a medium-large. It has a nice weight to it, so kind of like that. And get this other part out. Again, I'm wondering if these stain, because I have the Android Wear Motorola. I can't remember. I just really don't use it very often, but it's white as well, and it's kind of prone to staining. Just a little bit, but it can be wiped off pretty easy. All right. Just get this out. This nice little external case I'd probably keep, but size of it's pretty nice. Looks like a lot of crazy stuff going on in the back. It reminds me of the HAL 9000 series. Little eye could poke out of the middle, you know, nice and red. But I think I've seen these before, and they're like a green, those green laser looking thing. Okay. And judging by the little divot down there, I'm going to guess this slides in somehow. I should probably read the directions, but I'm not, because I'm cool like that. Okay, I guess pushing. I don't know. I should read the directions, because this isn't probably right. Oh, it activated something. I turned on the hive mind. Okay. Oh well, I'm not doing that right. I'll look at the instructions sometime. But yeah, this is the top, so. That's cool. It looks like there's some metal activation in the watch itself, but we'll see. Now it's asking me to pair. And one thing, I believe this is an OLED, and that's one thing I was sort of excited about too, is that all my Androids I've had, even though there's lots of them that have OLED, I've always stuck with LCD ones, and so this will be kind of nice. Switch. So I'm going to pull back the phone, and it looks like it's all sort of glued together. So you can put it back together really nice if you want. Alright, and there's like some Apple stickers and all of the how-to stuff. Hello introductions. And this phone is actually larger than I was thinking it would be. It looks like, well, it's about the size of my LG V20, which is what I have right now. But the metal is cold and the build quality seems really high. Higher than my LG. And I don't know, I guess I'll just turn it on. It came out pretty easy. Of course, here's the 5-watt adapter, which is so cool. And then, of course, I'm going to have to adjust because I'll only have one port for headphones. And then there's the lightning cable in here. So, pretty fun, exciting. And I guess there was previous generations they had the lightning to headphone port adapter, but I guess Apple thinks that's over with now. But I really like the way this feels. It definitely feels, I don't know, just mountains better than a lot of other ones I've had. So turn on the power button, as far as I understand it, yeah. And we'll see if it has iOS 12 on it yet. I don't know. A lot of these stickers I think I'm going to leave on until I get my packaging. I don't know, the color kind of reminds me of, I don't know, just some sort of space scientific instrument. Just that everything's polished so well, and silver on mine. It's just especially around the bottom part. I don't know. Looks like it could be floating in space or something. As it's going towards you. Okay, well, it's asking me to do things now. Hello. And it's fairly dim. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. The size for me is perfect. I really like this. I'm sort of one of the people that favors the larger phones. And I don't know why. Maybe it's the 4K recording, the build quality. That this phone is heavier. Kind of like that too. I don't know. One of my friends' friends is returning their larger phone because they think it's too big, and I could see why, because most iPhone people were really happy about them Apple bringing back the smaller phones. But when I heard that, I was like, that's not where I'd be going in the brand. But yeah, I think this could be. I mean, I sort of got this as an idea to say, hey, if I could buy it and it was sort of a rare release, then maybe I could really or go sell it on eBay for more. But I don't know. Just looking at it right now, I think I would keep it and take the major plunge and see what Apple has to offer on their highest end flagship phone. I got the 256 gig. I didn't feel a need that there was a need for 512 because I will be using Google Photos with their unlimited backup and cloud storage. I can't stand iCloud. I work on it with people all day long, and it's something you have to pay for, so it's not really accessible to a lot of people because they're not really sure. You know, like cable TV or, I don't know, electricity, they don't really feel like it's something they should have to pay for. Not a necessity. So Google does that real well with their cloud storage, and it's easier to control all that. But anyways, I guess I'm going to go and set this up and see how it works in my life and try to do an Android transfer. That might be fun to do a different video that way, but doing all that stuff. But alright, we'll see you later. Have fun with yours if you get one.